Welcome to the statistic learning session. Today we'll be talking about chi-square test. What we're talking about is a little bit more theory heavy. If you're in other stat class, then probably you'll give me a recipe and say that learn this thing, multiply this by that, and you'll get a result. But in this, we're going a little deeper. So here we have this formula of pj minus p naught square divided by pj. We would like to know why it's not pj square, but why is this pj? This division of pj instead of pj square comes from the Fisher information matrix. Can you tell me what is the Fisher information matrix? Think about it. Fisher information matrix is used to measure amount of information that's an observable random variable carries about unknown parameter. In this context, the normative factor P is derived from Fisher information matrix, which ensures a correct scaling of test statistics. And this is a test statistics here. And we need to scale that with a Pj, which is a correct scaling. Now, we'll go to the degree of freedom. We have a k minus 1. Can you tell me why it is k minus 1 instead of k? Think about it. The degree of freedom is k minus 1 because asymptotic Gaussian vector lives in k minus 1, giving it space, not k. This space is orthogonal to all one's vector or unit vector, meaning the sum of the differences between asymptotic probabilities p hat and hypothesis probability pj is 0. Now, if you say mathematically, then it will look something like this. It will something look like a p j minus p naught j and sum of that where j is 1 through k, and if you do that, then it will sum up to 0. That's what we are saying here, and that's what it is. Therefore, the degree of freedom is reduced by 1. And then let me quickly summarize what we learned today. We learned about chi-square test, and we learned about few nuances about this chi-square test, where we're dividing by p instead of p square because it comes from the Fisher information matrix. And Fisher information matrix is something that gets you information about the observable random values about unknown parameter. And we also talk about why degree of freedom is k minus 1 instead of k, because this Gaussian parameter vector lives in k minus 1 dimension, not in k dimension. And that is because of that reason we have a k minus 1 subscript, or is k minus 1. Degree of freedom is k minus 1. So that's all for today. I'll see you next learning session. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Thank you.